Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 27 to June 2, 2024. Okay, let's see what's coming to you this week, Scorpio. Overall energy. The Wheel of Fortune. This is a shift or change in your situation. So, maaring kayo mismo yung gagawa ng change na yan. Can be anything. Iba, lipat ng bahay. Yung iba naman, mas magsisipag na kayo. Let's see your challenge. You have the Empress. Yung productivity ninyo, medyo na-challenge ngayon. Okay? Syempre, kapag mas productive tayo, mas maraming results, no? Na pwede nating asahan. And some of you, maaring may mga sometimes you don't feel secure sa situation mo, sa relationship, sa career mo. But always remember your power from within, no? Maaring meron ka pang kailangang i-discover or i-explore sa sarili mo na hindi mo pa nagagawa, na marami kang kakayanan na hindi mo pa nare-realize na kaya mo palang gawin. Let's see your opportunity. You have the 8 of Coins. You have the opportunity to work it out. Na trabahuhin. Oo. Pagsikapan. Yung mga goals mo. Yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Yung pangarap mo. Some of you has an opportunity to master a skill. Let's say may interest ka sa pagluluto. And minsan, pumapalpak ka sa pagluluto. Kasi part naman yun ng learning process eh. Hindi naman agad-agad na magaling ka na magluto, no? Kahit na it runs in the family, na pamilya kayo ng mga chef, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka na mag-aaral, no? Still, you need to nurture your talents, your skills. And I think you have the opportunity to do that na ngayon. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? You have the Strength card. This is your confidence, yung willpower mo, lakas ng loob mo. Yun yung blessing sa'yo. Dahil kaya mo. Talagang gusto mo kakayanin mo. What is the Wheel of Fortune? The 2 of Wands. Okay. Maaring if you are feeling stuck in the past, dahil sa hindi ka pa makapag-decide which path to take, kung ano yung landas na tatahakin mo. Pwede kasi meron kang decision making in the past na hindi ka makapag-decide. So, parang feeling mo, hanggat hindi ka nagde-decide, hindi ka mamomroblema kasi wala ka pang pipiliin. Pero yun kasi yung nakakapagpabagal ng pagbabago. 'Di ba? Para ka nasa crossroads na let's say na traffic ka diyan. So, or hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta. Liliko ka ba sa kaliwa, sa kanan, diretso? Syempre kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, stuck ka doon, 'di ba? You're not going to move forward. But I think, this week, finally, you will be able to choose. Mapipili mo na, makakapag-decide ka na. What is the Empress? You have the 9 of Coins. Ito yung pagtitiwala mo sa sarili mong kakayanan eh. Your independence. You have so much to unlock, no? Marami kang mga unexplored abilities na ngayong week na to mag-open up sa'yo. Parang, alam mo yung vault, no? Na nakalock. Tapos, you are still figuring out the combination para ma-open yun. And once you've opened it, yung parang may ilaw sa harapan mo na, ganun. So, it's about discovery. So, I think you will discover more of your talents, discover more about your skills, mga kakayanan mo. Your opportunity is the 2 of Cups. This is about commitment. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are going to be more committed sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, or sa pangarap nyo. Some of you naman, this can mean a commitment sa relationship or a business partnership. You have the Five of Swords as your blessing. I think merong mga tao na secretly gusto kang pabagsakin or gusto nila na hindi ka magtagumpay. Oo. So, ang blessing dito is ipapakita mo sa kanila na sila yung hindi magtatagumpay dun sa ill wishes nila sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng meron mga taong naiinggit sa success na meron ka, naiinggit sa kakayanan mo, sa abilities mo. And as a blessing, I think, you will overcome yung mga nega energies around you. Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Son of Wands. Finally, you're exploring things. Meron ka ng action na gagawin. Oh, 2 beses yung Wheel of Fortune, oh. Yes. So, I think itong Wheel of Fortune is focused more on your career, your finances, your business. Things are moving forward. If you are feeling stuck, mas ano ka ngayon, mas may direction ka na. Oo. Pwede kasing may pinagpipilian ka like trabaho, business, negosyo. You have the Five of Wands. Yes, palaban ka ngayon. Oo, you're going to show the world na marami kang kaya ring gawin. And you can make that changes kung gugustuhin mo lang. Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga Scorpio. You have the Ace of Cups, the Mother of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, you are in a situation na merong involvement ng maraming tao sa relationship. Marami talaga, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi lang kayo dalawa, pwedeng 3 or 4 kayo. It means that may mga energies from other people na pwedeng nakikigulo sa relationship ninyo or nakikialam, ganyan. So, lalo na kung ito ay a new connection that you are trying to be in, no? Na meron kang may new person sa buhay mo, pero pwedeng may mga tao sa paligid mo na sinasabi na, oops, wag, tigilan mo yan, or meron silang mga ibang options na gusto mong subukan. Yung mga, pwedeng meron mga tao na hindi sang-ayon or hindi boto sa mga decision mo pagdating sa relationship. Okay, let's see what else. You have acceptance. I-accept mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. Kasi doon lang tayo matatahimik Once we accept the situation na wala tayong control of, we just need to surrender that. And the moment na ma-accept natin yon, sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam. And of course, you trust the process. Sa minsan, yung proseso na gusto mo ay hindi yung proseso na makakabuti sa'yo. Let's see, ano pa? You have the Mars in Capricorn in the 10th house, authority. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may leadership role sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. I think ito yung isa sa nagbabago sa inyo ngayon. Pwedeng may promotion sa work, kaya rin may mga tao na kina-question yung promotion mo na yan sa work, or kina-question yung mga na-achieve mo sa buhay. Parang feeling nila hindi mo din-deserve. Okay, you have Mars in Sagittarius in the 9th house, domination. So yeah, I feel like you are willing to show them your power, no? Kasi marami kang kakayanan na hindi alam ng iba dahil pwedeng hindi ka nila kalala masyado. So some people may judge you na you're not good enough, but hindi nila alam yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo to improve yourself. So I think you're going to show them what you can do. And even yung mga nalalaman mo, no, some of you are really mature, you are wise, no? Marami kang kaalaman, karunungan sa buhay. And I think yun yung ipapakita mo, no? You're going to show them that your power, your knowledge, na magugulat na lang sila, kaya pala, okay, ganun. Kaya pala successful ka. You can be your own knight. So, this is about independence, relying on yourself, na kaya mong ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Diba? Na hindi mo kailangang nakaasa sa iba para ipagtanggol ka, because you know for yourself that you can protect yourself, you can fight for yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.